Okay, so what I showed on these was I made a mixture of resin, the Artist Resin Medium Viscosity by Counterculture, and I added some Sparkle White from Etsy Funshine Color Shop and a little bit of Laura's Art Corner Cherry Blossom. So it's a very, very, very fine pale pink with a lot of shimmer. And I added these 6 pieces of, they're almost like tissue paper thinness. They were printed, I cut them out, but they're like on a tissue paper thin piece of paper. And I put them on the resin while the resin was still a little bit tacky so that it would stick nice and tight. And then I went around the edges with the Deco Art 24 karat gold with the ultra fine tip writer. Everything is below the video that I've used in the making of this video. And I also have my Amazon link recommendations that I always put with a lot of these products as well. And went around and did, there's 6, and I did 2, 4, 6 different, I did 3 different designs around each thing just to switch it up a bit. And I've got some clear resin, and I'm just gonna basically flood coat these pieces to finish out the mold. They're not all the perfect same height. You know, some are a little bit deeper, some are not. That's just part of, I don't do the exact science, I just pour. And so then you just try to get it as even as possible, you know. The main thing is to get a good coat on top of the paper and the acrylic paint that I used. This one actually was the one that I had filled the most. I need to take maybe a little of that off, I'm not sure. As long as you see it dome, but if it doesn't go over, then you're good. Okay, I'm going to cover, and we'll check it back in about 5 or 6 hours. So I used Krylon 18 karat gold paint pen, oil-based, to do the edges, and here are the finished pieces. I'll show them outside to show the true colors, and it's just a soft, delicate look. The tissue paper pieces were a little bit transparent, so it's a very delicate look. You've got to have a really light background. Instead of white, I made it a really pale pink. So it was Cherry Blossom from Laura's Art Corner and Sparkle White with some Armor Art white mixed in. So I hope you learned something from this video. I will share pictures outside, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.